Although the Chaparral 21 Surf might seem like the smallest boat in the Chaparral Surf series, it packs the biggest value. We're looking at a brand new 2025 Chaparral 21 Surf that comes in just over $90,000. With standard features like Malibu surf gate, 1,000 pound ballast, extended swim platform, and upgraded JL audio, this boat gets you and your family out on the water and surfing without having to take out a second mortgage. For a 21-foot boat, this boat has big boat attitude. Like this transom rear sun lounge, extended aft deck, beautiful mocha sea deck throughout, a full starboard side pass-through where you can entry and exit the boat without walking on any of the seats, velocity folding sport tower, JL audio and sub throughout, Simrad NSS GPS with surf controls. With a 1,000 pound ballast, this boat is taking you and 11 of your friends surfing all summer long. Make sure you come and see it or visit us at nicholsmarine.com.